morning, welcome to the garage, and look what I have for you today. This car was registered 31st of December 2015. Why would you register a car on the last day of the year? Anyway, it's a 2015. We can't get away from that fact. If it had been a day later, it would have been 16. It's a 65 plate BMW 420D M-Sport Coupe with a full body kit, 20-inch black wheels. It's got matching tyres all the way around, rear privacy, dark tinted rear windows, dark tinted rear lights, lower splitter. It's done 108,000 miles. It's got full service history. It was last serviced at 107,000 miles. It's been very well cared for. We've got all the service history. On the front you've got black grille, black lower front splitter. It only costs you £30 a year to tax it, and it'll cost you £13,495 to buy it. It's also got upgraded mirrors. I'll show you inside. You've got full black leather, sat nav, enhanced Bluetooth, cruise control, M-Sport multifunction steering wheel, 108,868 currently, dual zone climate, so heated seats, iDrive, folding rear seats, a really attractive 420D. If you'd like to know anything more about it, give us a call on 01772 749 333, or just call in to Penwitham Garage on Liverpool Road. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.